Imagine a dessert so delicious it melts in your mouth, leaving you craving for more. Picture chocolate lava cake's luxury, strawberry cheesecake's smoothness, lemon bars' zest, caramel flan's richness, and raspberry sorbet's freshness. Stick around to find out how to make these tantalizing treats at home. First up, we have the irresistible chocolate lava cake. We start by mixing dark chocolate, butter, sugar, eggs, and flour. The cake mold is then prepared, coated with butter and cocoa. Next, batter is poured into the mold and baked briefly. The result, a firm yet gooey dessert. And there you have it, a decadent chocolate lava cake. Next, we delve into the creamy world of strawberry cheesecake. It begins with a golden crust and fills with a rich mix of ingredients. After baking, it cools before garnishing with strawberries. Voila, a slice of strawberry cheesecake to satisfy your sweet tooth. For those who love a tangy twist, here's how to make delectable lemon bars. First, prepare the crisp shortbread base. Then, mix the tart sweet lemon filling. Once ready, pour the filling on the base and bake. Let the captivating lemon scent fill your kitchen. Cool, dust with sugar, and enjoy. And that's how you create tantalizing lemon bars. Now, let's journey to the smooth and creamy world of caramel flan. First, we create a golden caramel syrup. Then, we whisk eggs, condensed milk, and vanilla to prepare our custard. This mixture is poured over the caramel and baked gently in a water bath. After baking, we unveil our masterpiece with a quick flip. And there, a caramel flan that's sure to impress. Finally, for a refreshing finish, we have raspberry sorbet. Puree ripe raspberries, make a sugar syrup, combine, and freeze. And just like that, you have a refreshing raspberry sorbet. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to create 5 amazing desserts. We explored lava cake, cheesecake, lemon bars, caramel flan, and raspberry sorbet. Now enjoy your sweet journey.